Greetings to all. I am Vaibhav Agarwal, currently pursuing my postgraduate diploma in management from Jaipur Institute of Management, Lucknow. My specializations are marketing and operations. Since marketing is my preferred domain, I worked on the SIP in the same domain only. In this, I studied consumption propensity and consumer behavior towards consumer electronics goods in the light of country of origin. Here, my study was focused towards television industry. I conducted it I conducted it from the perspective of OnePlus televisions. The two major part of my study was first component is understanding industry and finding the position of OnePlus television in this market. Industry analysis was done by Pestel and Potter's Five Forces like tool, where I noticed 100% FDI and technological advancement has given this sector a new boom. And OnePlus television analysis was done by SWOT like tools, where I noticed strong foothold in the e-commerce market and strong supply chain has given OnePlus an edge. Further, contingency plans and marketing strategies were analyzed, where I noticed type Reliance Digital and advertising budget shift has played game changer role for OnePlus. All these studies was done through newspaper articles and BARC and IBEF report. The second component of my study was understanding the consumer behavior, their brand preference, their perception towards television industry, their consumption propensity, and their consumer perception towards television industry post COVID, the influence of country of origin, and finally the impact of CSR activities performed by OnePlus. Methodology used for research are exploratory research as well as causal research. Method of research was survey forms. Findings of my research was first, Samsung, Sony and LG are the most preferred brand because of their audio and video quality. Second, OnePlus is holding a nice brand image, but availability of only Q series pre-COVID has not given OnePlus a major recognition. Third, consumers are demanding more economical product now. Fourth, being a Chinese brand, OnePlus image is little bit endangered. Fifth, 65% of the Indian buyers still want these products in the bricks and mortars market. Major learnings from this project are how companies are dealing with these uncertain situations and how they are changing their marketing strategies according to the changing consumer buying behavior. Thank you.